This is my first video, and yeah, this may look small, but when I got this a few years back, which is that one, and that one, it wasn't so small to me, because obviously I was 9 when I got those. Good thing to throw out there. So anyway, this is a video on my fire alarm collection as of right now. And if this camera, or also known as my phone camera, iPhone 5C blue, love throwing that out. If it keeps on autofocusing, I'm so sorry about that. Alright, let's get started. Here's your average Simplex 2099. Well, I think I would use that autofocus right now. Yeah. So, somewhat. 2099, 9754. I need to memorize that. Wow, the SDX was right. It is hard to reset it with like just one hand. Alright. This, my very first alarm. A Simplex True Alert. 4906 9127. That's what it says if you can't read it. Focus. This accounts, if this counts as an alarm, like a lifesaver or something, then I just threw it in the video. There. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. Family Guard, model number FG200. Possibly rebranded. Alright, up here. Wheelock MIZ24 LS. MS. Dang it. So again, I had to turn it over to focus on MIZ24 MS. One stroke. Sooner or later, I'm going to get separate strobe, which I'm supposing is LS1M, separate MIZ horn, black and white. Wait, no. Seriously, black and white? I said that? Red and white. I can't talk today. This is, you probably already know, Edwards Integrity. And as you can see here, it's broken, kind of. So now the screw is really hard to keep in. I'm gonna keep it there anyways. Tested it, strobe was good, but don't know about the horn. This one, what else but the Spectral Alert? Of course. I believe every fire alarm owner out there should own one of these. I do. It's the P2R. Candela Select. And the Audio Select. It's currently on 15 Candela. So, once again, I'm going to say it for the second time. What else but the Spectral Alert? My new saying of a fire alarm collection. So yeah, now a little about these alarms I got. I got this one off eBay, of course, first. I got, now, like doing this. I just love doing that. I got this one, and I got this one from Fireman up in downtown Birmingham. Yeah, they were pretty nice. And they got me these 2 alarms. And I thank them for that. If they're watching this video. Probably are. Thanks. And this one I got in around 2010, I'm guessing. Off eBay, of course. And of course, I got this one off eBay in 2009, I believe. This one I got at a store. Of course, it's a smoke detector. Possibly like 2012 or 2013. This one I got not too long ago, maybe 2013, like when school was starting. Decided to get another alarm, and so I got it. Once again, I thank the fireman for getting these two alarms for me. I was really appreciative. I thank you for that again. So that's my collection so far. Sorry it took like 6 minutes to show the 6 alarms, so well, there you go anyway. Almost 6 minutes. Wait for it. There we go.